48-hour update from after I sowed my seeds. This is so exciting to see so many of these seeds successfully germinated. So up here in the front, that's my cantaloupe. It is looking amazing. Far right there is my broccoli that's coming up. I think that soybean on the far left is getting ready to open up any minute. My bell peppers, tomatoes, and jalapenos in this tray haven't germinated yet, but it's still super early, so I'm not worried at all. Over here, I am just thrilled with this progress. In the far right is my basil. It is looking absolutely beautiful. These two in the middle are my arugula on the left, and then the next row down are my mixed lettuce varieties. They are looking great. And then down here is my Tropicana lettuce, and it looks like all these seeds have cracked, and I think they will sprout any day now. So just a reminder, I have both of my trays on heat mats. The domes were on. I just took them off just to shoot this video. So the domes have been on with the vents totally closed. I did just add water to this today, just to the bottom of the trays. After about 5 minutes, I drained the excess off. So I'm gonna put the domes back on, and I'll give another update in a couple of days, but this is amazing progress. I am just so excited and thrilled that this is actually working.